Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome to Personality Half Hour.
Thank you.
So please, can you help us by introducing yourself?
Sure. My name is Nkiruka. I am a daughter of Murie Oka, Chief Ozibonwan of Eze-Ana. I am from Agotu Roji, initially local government, but married to Mr. Phyllis Enyinta from Odupi in Nkiruka local government. We are both from Ebonyi State. I'm a Nollywood actor.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, you say you're a Nollywood actor.
Yes.
Okay. Why that profession?
It's a kind of calling. God just called me to do it. You know, I am born to act. Yes. I did not just choose to be an actor myself.
So meaning that you started from childhood or something like that?
Oh my God, I started acting when I was very tender. Yes, I can remember when I was in primary school, we have a leader there. Leader that lead us in, dramatic club. Her name was Nkechi Enyinta. Anybody from my town can bear me a witness of this. We go to churches, to anywhere. In fact, even educated people are doing functions in our place. We go there and act. They pay us. Despite that, my father was a native doctor. Yet, church people do come and call me to come and act in their stage. Yes, until I finished my school. There, I decided to come full in Nollywood and fulfill my destiny.
Meaning you started acting at a tender age?
Yes.
And now you've been into Nollywood and I believe you've acted several movies. Can you name some of them?
Oh my God, I can't. It's so numerous for me to crack my brain.
Okay, let me just help you a bit.
Okay.
Let's see, do you remember the last movie you acted?
Yes. A Broken Tradition.
A Broken Tradition.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember because I just watched it the other day on Eze-Ana TV, and your performance was wow.
Thank you.
So you join me. Let's show the audience the roles you played in that particular movie.
All right.
So let's watch, please.
Mama, I'm really suspecting Papa. I'm really suspecting him. Seriously, me too.
Shut up! I know my husband and I trust him. He can never, ever cheat on me. Don't say that again.
Mama. I know what I'm saying.
I said she shut up before I shut it for you.
She said,
Hey! I said she go inside. Leave me alone. Mama. Oh yes, that's it. Oh my God. Who can believe I am doing all this? That's why I said I am born to act. If I don't correct on it,
That's a good one. I like that performance. There is this issue as I just saw you act. I want to ask, do you find some difficulties in interpreting your scripts?
Oh, the grace of God is upon me. Yeah, I have too much grace. Coming to talk of it, people are lamenting of, script giving them headache for them to read, understand, and digest. I have never for once find it difficult. And also, they say they have camera fights or to be on set with megastar. I have never witnessed it. Because the first movie I acted in Nollywood, I entered on set with the megastar, Madam Uche Nollywood. She was the one that picked me to Asaba and Uche Nancy Joy because how I challenged the woman. The woman shaped me